Hello all, today I'm going to be modelling a pen. It's going to be quite an easy model because I've got a bit of a headache and I don't want to do anything too complicated. So let's begin. You want to start with a cone. Make the cone. Right, and now what you want to do is press E and you want to rotate it on any axis you want to about there. Then press Q because all these lines get on my nerves. You want to right click, go down to convert to editable poly. Then you want to press 4 on the keyboard, select this face and delete. Then you want to press 3, select the border, go to your move tool and you just want to extrude out. Just check that model. Yeah, it all looks good. Now you want to go to scale tool using the R button and you want to scale in between the axis of Z and X like so. No, you don't. No, you want to scale in between all 3 axes. So you want the middle one selected to about there. Then you want to press W to move. Bring that again to about there. And just one cap. And that should resemble a pen. Now what you want to do is, because all pens have a little ball thing, let's make a box. And you want to make it about this thin and this long. And you want to raise it to about there. And you can just convert this to an editable poly, it's fine. And now what you want to do is press 2 on the keyboard, select edge mode, and select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. But first you want to go to your chamfer settings and you want to change this to quad. Press the tick. Now you want to select the edges. and you want to go to chamfer. For this time you want to select the actual box, and you just want to chamfer this in a bit to about there. And now you want to press 5 on the pen, and you want to hide selection. This will make the box the only thing that's visible in the viewport. Right, and you want this viewport and you just want to delete everything here. Now if you go back here, you see that we've deleted the bottom, but I'll leave it open. So you want to go to 3, to border mode. You want to select this border, and you want to go down to cap. And that will make a slightly smaller one. Now you want to right click, and you want to unhide all, and that will show the pen again. So now you go select the box, and press Y. And that'll put the box on the actual thing. It's a bit big, so I'm going to press R. I don't know why that's not letting me select it. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna press 5, and I'm just gonna scale in these 2 coordinates so it's a bit thinner. I'm also gonna scale in on this coordinate. That I did for no reason, I just wanted to do it. I'm gonna press E to bring up rotate. And I'm gonna make sure I rotate it on only one axis, which I'm probably gonna do in another viewport. Now I'm gonna press W, and I'm gonna move it on these two axes to about here. And that should make my pen, which is a bit further up than I would have liked. You know, most pens have a sort of lift on them there anyway, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna press 5 again. I'm gonna select this bit of my pen, going to attach, and I'm going to select that. And there you should have a model that sort of resembles a pen. And now all that's left for you to do is texture it. I've been Dylan Smith. Thank you for watching my video, and like and subscribe.